Welcome to World Disaster TV YouTube channel. Russia's largest resort city Sochi experienced major flooding over the weekend as record rainfall washed out the city on the Black Sea coast. Local power supplies were cut off, apartment buildings were flooded, cars were seen being washed away and a river overflowed, leading to one civilian death and several injuries. Russian climate activist Arshak Makachian linked the floods to climate change, with changing temperatures leading to more volatile weather patterns around the world. Watch this video from Weather China, the online weather service of the China Meteorological Administration, to see more.